Okay guys, so today I'm going to explain you the special characters in HTML and the select tag. So the select tag is used for this type of things. Like if I want to create and select, you could select one in some of options. So here I could create a form. Inside it I can use the select tag, and like I use in the list tag for unordered list and ordered list, I can use an option tag inside it, so that could create the options inside it, and I could use the value which sends the server the value is the value sending, and this thing is shown, and this thing is send it to the server. After that I have created a button which is for submit, and then after I have 11 two lines, this is sentence second line, and I have write the special characters. So the first character is space, and which code is and sign NBSP, and I used the brackets inside space, and you're watching here's space before it, and after that there's the less than sign which is also in special character, and the greater than sign which is also so that type of. So this is all for today. I was just going to give you a brief introduction to slug tag and for special characters. Bye.